Hello everyone, today I'm going to take the video about the rice harvesting in Japan. So I'm going to show you how to do it, rice harvesting in Japan. Just a little bit windy today, and I usually show you about the tomato. So we didn't have a tomato today, but looks like a tomato. The head is green and my body is red like a tomato. So I hope you can enjoy rice harvesting in Japan. I'm just taking in front of the combine harvesters, very dangerous part. This is the front part which can capture the rice, and if I look carefully right here, and you can see a cutter that cuts the rices in the bottom, and which goes to this inside this nail, and this chain grabs rices plant, and it goes up and sideways, and the rice comes right here. I'm going to show you later how to work it. And so this is the rice, and the rice goes to this like it looks like a tumble machine which take off the husks inside, and there's a net right here. It is spinning around very fast, and they took off this husk, and husk goes down. There's a net, and that garbage, the stems goes backward and the husk goes downward. That's why we separated this machine. And this one, it goes to the end of the combine harvester, and the end of the combine harvester has a very sharp cutter right here. It's very difficult to see right here, and they chop it off and drop them on the ground and the rear part. So I'm going to show you how to work it. Yep, and this is a combine harvester. I just opened that drum, and let's look around in the whole machine. Okay, I go back to the driving cockpit and show you how to control or operate this machine. I am at the moment in driver's combine harvester's driver's cockpit, and this is a view from the cockpit. I can see the front part. It's a very sharp part, and also you might just wonder how to operate this machine. It's not that difficult. It's just easy for the person who have a driver's license. Not so difficult. This is the axle. If you go forward, the machine goes forward. This one go back, it's go backward. And then also there are many switches, but I usually this is a switch for tumble to take away husk, and for the cutter, so moving the cutter's part, and it goes like this. So there's a tachometer, check the engine, and this is a speedometer. It shows how many meters per second. The maximum speed is 3 meters per second. It's not fast like a car. This is a fuel gauge, and this is a stick, just like a wheel control, like a wheel in a car. If I turn right way, the combine harvester goes rightward. Turn left way, combine harvester go turn left, and also move this stick frontward and backward. That means I can lift it up this part, up and down, and okay. And I'm going to show you how to move it. Okay, let's do it. I now just back finished harvesting rice field, and we came back to the farm, and this is a rice dryer. It's a huge tank. It can hold maybe over 4,000 kilograms brown rice with a husk right here, and we are going to dry them all the night and just the moisture, and it's gonna make it a brown rice the next day. Okay, this is the end of the tank. I put the hose right here, and the hose goes to the rice dryer's tank. Now I'm going to start moving, so the husk goes into the automatically this rice dryer's tank. I am just taking the video of the machine which takes off the husk from the rice. Oh yeah, it says, it's written in English, husk with a separator. That's what I'm using it. And this is a husk. I dry them in a dryer, and this machine separating the husk to the brown rice. Right here, this is a brown rice. It's not operating at the moment, so you can tell it's a brown rice. Just after took off the husk. And this machine, they are rice with the husks, and they took off the husk and they become like this. It's a brown rice. But if I look carefully, there's a green one, there's black, and also black one, and a lot of shapes, small shapes, and this is some rice is immature, so it's not ready to eat. And this rice goes to this one. It's a separator. They took off a small piece of the rice and just to separate. And also this one. This is a machine to separate with the green one. They separate with the color, so you can tell the difference. This is a separate. They were separated by this machine. So they are green. Some rices have a black spot, so they can shoot it down the air in this machine. Then goes to the brown rice this way, and go up, and they are collected in this tank right here. Then it goes to this huge bag, and I can keep the brown rice in this bags for 1,000 kilo, 1 ton. It's huge, heavy, and I have to use a forklift to move this bag. I'm just comparing brown rice before and after. This is rice is just after I took off the husks, so you can see a small black spot rice and a green one. They are immature. Then they went through the separator. They become a completely same shape of the brown rice, and the color is the same. It become like this, and they put in a bag, and they make it a white rice, and they will be on the supermarket. That's the rice you are eating on the home. So that is the process I'm doing. It's interesting, yeah. This is a rice bag. It's the final stage, and you put in the brown rice right here. So this is completely done, and it's very heavy, I have to move it by forklift. Yep, I hope you enjoyed it process in rice harvesting and make the brown rice. And please eat a lot of Japanese rice. It's very delicious. Alright, see you. Goodbye.